Mumanyi omurai wense ya USA omubyare okitutu masaba nsemeri ya magombo nigasabire abanyamira gutwara obumo bw'Omugusii elinde kulinda Ekemira Kiomogusii kagukwana ekeratwara etaro yaye ase bunge ya Nyamira Hulda nigatebanga obumo bukoligererwa ase siasa chioka asikolende kubolia abantu gocha amo naboigo kwenekya buna ngukwana bale nelyo gelimo.
You know, sometimes we break it down to the point where we minimize it to be just political. You know, Ekemira is not centered on politics. It's centered on brotherly and sisterly love of Ekemira. Because if we don't protect our culture, our language, we are slowly losing it. I'm telling you for free. They're kids. We are losing a whole generation of Ekemira. I don't know, that's not home. My friends, also here too, your kids are growing up outside of Gusii. They are growing up in towns. And they are completely would care less about them being Ekemira. I charge each of you. You're not Parliament of Nairobi or Kilifi type of. You are the assembly of Ekemira here in Ekemira. Let's make it a point to also make sure that we are protecting this Ekemira. That we come together, not because of politics, but because we are one people. The last time I remember, since you brought politics in the conversation, the last time Ekemira that really came together politically, can someone remind the whole team? It was during a child's time. Remember? Yeah, everybody, all the MCAs were under what party? Exactly. Well, we have UDA, we have this, we have that, and there's nothing wrong with that. But at the end of the day, though Ramana because of political parties. Political parties will come and go. But then Ekemira is here to stay if we fight for it.